stop, Daddy.
I'm not sure we're going to fit in the tunnel with this tree.
Let's try going slowly.
Snowing! Oh no! Bits of the tree are falling off.
Oh, we'll have to go the long way round.
Wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
Maybe this road with no trees will be better.
This road has no trees, so the wind is blowing the Christmas tree.
Oh dear.
All the pines must have fallen off on the way.
But we need a tree for Christmas. Birdie! We can still decorate the tree. It looks lovely.
This bird thinks the Christmas tree looks lovely too.
Birdie!
Wonderful, Peppa.
Ho, ho, ho.